Hey guys, my name is Pablo and I would like to show you how to use the automation feature in Ableton Live 8. Now, I believe that in the newer version of Ableton Live 9, you are able to record automation, but in this version I have, this is not a feature included. So the only way you can actually use automation is by doing it manually, by using only the cursor or this small pencil tool we have right here. So in order to use the automation feature, you need to select the track where you want to automate, any parameter you want to automate, and then you need to select the parameter right here. Let's say, for example, you want to automate the volume. You would first select mixer, and then you would select track volume. Now, using this pen tool, we can easily automate the track. Now, there are a couple of modifiers that you can use when using this pencil tool. You can use the Alt modifier, which will allow you to make a more linear curve, and the Command modifier, which will allow you to grab just a section and modify it in a slower increment, so you can fine-tune this small selection, this small portion that you have grabbed with the tool. Now, with each new automation that you make, let's make one more automation, for example, in the track panning. You will be making an entire new graph for every automation you use. Now, in Ableton Live, each automation is overlapped when you have this kind of view, but you're able to view each individual automation by clicking on this plus sign, and now you see that the last automation I was editing comes right down after the track, and you're able to see that one. Let's say I want to see both the automations I've made, and I would go track volume and then click the plus sign, and now I can see the track volume automation, the track panning automation, and you can have as many automations as you would like right below your track. Now this will allow you to easily, let's say you want to automate the volume, and then you realize at the same portion you want to have an inverse panning, let's say like this or like this, then you can see how easily it is to create an automation for the volume and the panning at the same time, and being able to see where everything is happening simultaneously is very useful. Now let's say you want to start over, you just gotta right click on this automation portion and select erase envelope, and you will go right back to 0. Let's go here, erase envelope, and it will go right to the beginning, so you can start automating again. Now there's just one more way you can do this, which is with the cursor. You can create interest points in every automation and then drag these points, and you will be able to make more precise slides up and down. Instead of curves, you would make a more linear, more gradual automations like this. Let's say I want to make an automation again in the track volume. From here to here I want the volume to rise, so I would make a double click here in the beginning and then a double click in the end, and then I would rise up in the later one, so that now we see we have a low volume here, then a very linear rise in sound, and then we have the rest of the track with the sound, with the volume all the way up. And that's how you would make an automation in Ableton Live 8. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like this, and I hope you have learned something about the subject at hand. Thank you very much.